Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will take you through hexadecimal to binary conversions in digital electronics and microprocessors. Question 1. Convert 2E8.B, base 16 to binary. Solution. From the hexadecimal to binary conversion table, we have 2 equals 0010, E equals 1110, A equals 1010, B equals 1011. Combining the binary values. Which equals 001011011010.1011, base 2. Question 2. Convert 2F3, base 16 to binary. Solution. From the hexadecimal to binary conversion table, we have 2 equals 0010, F equals 1111, 3 is equal to 0011. Combining the binary values. Which equals 001011110011 base 2.